Okay, so thank you guys for joining us today. So this is the LXDAO monthly update number 2. I'm Bruce. I'm very happy to introduce you what's the monthly update today. So in this session, I'm gonna cover what's new, project updates, what's next, and some QA. So what's new? In the last month, LXDAO SBT-based membership system is nearly done, but we have a little bit of delay. This because mainly because because of the contract. After we submitted the contract to our LXDAO contract consultant review, we found there are a lot of rooms to improve the gas fee. And also, we can have a better design to split the contract into two parts, the SPD part and the metadata part. So in the future, we can upgrade the metadata storage to have a better architecture. So we made a decision to make it better. So it's a little bit delay, but it's gonna be finished in this week. Yeah, so that's for the SBT. We also built a Notion for the community, so you can open this link to check the Notion website and say something. Also, LXDAO first community proposal has been approved. So we created a new project which is 005. I'll introduce it later. So LXDAO proposal lifecycle and the rules are nearly done. So we put the rules and documentations in the Notion. Also, MetaPower number 002 project MVP is nearly done. So currently it's in internal testing. And also a good news, LXDAO joins the GR15, the Gitcoin. So this is the link. So feel free to contribute a few dollars or share with your friends. Yeah. So let's check some details. So for LXDAO firm, now we have more than 40 users and 75 topics. So feel free to open and join the conversation. And for LXDAO Notion, we start using Notion because it's more public and collaborative. So at the moment, we have invited 15 users and into the Notion. And also there are 4 working groups in LXDAO using Notion to manage the work progress. So feel free to open this website to see more details. And if you want to be invited into this Notion, feel free to contact Marcos. And also, don't be surprised if you see a lot of empty pages, because we are still working in progress to add more content on the Notion. And also, we also formed the working group, which called LXDAO Governance Group, which is one of the 4 working group on Notion. So this is a small group made of 4 focusing on LXDAO governance strategies and tokenomics. So because we are only have 4 members, so it will be more efficient, and we focus on DAO governance research, which includes LXDAO proposal lifecycle, LXDAO onboarding process, payment and reward rules, etc. So basically, we are a team to do many research of DAOs and try to figure out the rules strategy to help the DAO work. Yeah, so basically this is the group. So we're gonna create more and more documentations on Notion. Yeah. And also let's check out some projects update. So the project number 001, my first NFT. The season 2 is in brainstorming, and we also submitted to Gitcoin grants and got approved. So which is a very nice. So yeah, again, feel free to donate contribute a few dollars because we are using the Gitcoin using quadratic funding. So which means they care more about uh, the people who contributed even a few dollars more than the amount. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And for the project number 002, MetaPower, the MVP is nearly done. So currently it's in the internal test. So basically, it is working. So as you can see, there is a small things here, but I want to introduce a lot in this session. So if you have interest to join the internal test, feel free to contact the project manager of this project, Yuto. And yeah, so the project number 004 Mary 3, the second version Maryverse is in discussion with Metaverse projects. So we had a contact with two Metaverse projects to discuss how to work together to build a better experience in Metaverse. So basically, the second version of Mary 3, we're going to provide appointment feature on the website, so you can make appointments on the website to choose one of the Metaverse and the wedding scenarios. Then we will generate a page. You can send it to your NFT communities, your friends, so they can register as a guest. At that day, they will join. They will be joining your wedding ceremony with their NFT PFP in the metaverse. So become the witness of your relationship. So basically, we are still working on that, but not. But we didn't put a lot of efforts on it. At the moment, our main focus is MetaPower. And also, like I mentioned before, we have the proposal has approved. So we created a project number 005, which is a mere improvements project. And our team has provided three solutions. So at the moment, we are trying to contact a mere development team to maybe have a session with them to discuss for the solutions and see what we can do. Okay, so let's see what's next in this month. So first, we're gonna build the MetaPower official website and start the internal test and keep improving based on the feedback. So basically, it will be better and better. And also we will also apply some grants to submit applications to some DAOs or something like that. And also we will launch as LXDAO SBT membership system online and start onboarding process to onboard active community contributors. So yeah, it's very exciting. So finally, we're gonna have the SBT as a yeah. So we're gonna have SBT for the community contributor. So we can start vote and do something like that. Also, we're gonna keep improving the governance rules to make it better and start creating more and more proposals and say if we need to change, we need to improve the rules or not. Yeah, and start more projects. So basically, that's and also we also have some idea and the proposal in the form. It's feel like more and more mature. So it's yeah, let's see what we're gonna have in this month. Okay, so that's pretty much it for today's session. So now it's a QA session. I'm gonna stop recording. So yeah, thank you. See you next time.